Hello, hello, and welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to be drawing a quick and easy rose. We're going to go ahead and get started. You can follow along with the picture on the left. So let's start with the center of the rose. For that, we're just going to draw a curve to the left. Just come down just like that right there. And just draw some wavy shapes. This is going to be the left of the petal here, just curving over some. And then come out on the left side, draw a curve in and then back out. And come around like that right there. So that is the left side of the rose. And then up top here, just draw a quick little oval. And then we're going to draw the right side of the rose. Just want to mirror the left side. Come down, curve it in, and right back out. And then come down. And then we're just going to add a little swirl in the center here. Should have something like that right there. And then we're going to cross over the bottom here. We're going to draw a bottom petal. So just come up and over. And the petals can be any shape really, so they don't have to look exactly like mine. Make it kind of wide. That's going to be the bottom petal. And we'll erase these overlapping lines. And then we're going to do the petal on the left. Just come up and over, draw a little point, and then come down and back out. Again, these can be any shape you like. Do something similar on the right side. Just come out, do a little point, and then back over. Then to give this a little bit more shape, make it look like the center is sitting in the petals, just come up and draw a line out like that. Same thing on the left side, draw a line down and back in. And then we'll draw a large petal in the back here. And again, these can be any shape you like. Draw another petal coming out on the left side. And draw another one coming out on the right side. Again, we'll just put in some little accent lines here. Something just like that there. A couple more here. And then we'll draw the stem. Just come down on the left. Draw a little thorn coming out. Down and curve it back around. Again, you can really do this however you like. And then I'm just going to come down. Then we'll follow it on the right side. Come down. Draw another little thorn. And then come down here and bring this out a little bit wider and then straight down. And we'll just do a little curve line here to show the bottom of the rose. And just add a couple leaves wherever you like. And there it is. That is a quick and simple rose. Now all we need to do is go ahead and add some detail with the outline, and then we'll go ahead and get it colored. Alright, here's our finished picture. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing to support the channel. And remember, be kind, work hard, and keep drawing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!